Welcome to the Wandering Channel. Today, we will explore one of the gems of the Antibes coast, France. Get ready for a colorful journey with clear blue water, smooth white sand, and a wonderful relaxing atmosphere. To experience the charming space and attractive activities here, don't take your eyes off the screen. Antibes Beach, located on the famous Côte d'Azur coast of France, is one of the great destinations for those who love the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea. With clear blue water and smooth white sand, the ideal relaxing space. Antibes Beach promises to be a great experience for all visitors. Antibes Beach is located in the Mediterranean climate zone, with warm sunny summers and mild winters. Summer temperatures usually range from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, providing ideal weather for outdoor activities. Girls in bikinis sunbathing on the beach not only add charm but also contribute to highlighting the freshness and dynamism of the space here. They enjoy the sunlight and sea breeze, immersing themselves in the vibrant and energetic atmosphere of Antibes. Antibes Beach is not only famous for its scenic beauty, but also a rich habitat for many marine creatures. In the clear blue water, you can find colorful small fish, such as galaxies and clownfish, along with schools of sparkling salmon. The nearby coral reefs provide shelter for many marine species, contributing to the rich biodiversity of the area. Antibes Beach, with its charming beauty and prime location on the Côte d'Azur, has a profound impact on France's tourism industry. The popularity of the beach attracts millions of visitors each year, generating a large revenue stream from accommodation, food, and entertainment services. This not only boosts the local economy, but also contributes to enhancing the value of the country's tourism brand. Join us in discovering exciting adventures and amazing destinations around the world by subscribing to our Wandering channel today. Don't miss the chance to explore and experience something new. Subscribe to Wandering now so you don't miss any new videos, and join us on our journey to discover the world.